Hey there, savvy smartphone users. Are you ready to turn your device into a cash machine? You're in for a treat because today I've got a treasure trove of fantastic apps and websites that are about to fill your pockets with some serious green. But before we dive into this treasure hunt, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest money-making tips and tricks. First stop on our money train, the PayPal app, primed to put $15 straight into your account. But hold tight, because we're just getting started. Next up, the Cash App, ready to boost your balance with a cool 20 bucks. Cash App, developed by Square, Inc., is a mobile payment service designed for seamless peer-to-peer money transfers. Users can download the app, link their bank accounts or debit cards, and effortlessly send or receive money by entering the recipient's email address or phone number. The received funds are instantly added to the recipient's Cash App balance, which can either be kept within the app or transferred to a linked bank account. But here's where things get really exciting. Brace yourself for the surprise twist. You can turbocharge your earnings by installing a series of other apps, and each one promises a whopping $30 payday. Think gaming, think social media, think any app that piques your interest, because every download equals more cash in your pocket. Now, picture this. Making over $1,000 a day, all from the comfort of your smartphone. Exciting, right? Stick around until the end because I've got a bonus website that's about to supercharge your earnings. The best part? You don't need a fancy setup. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. This is a global gig, so it doesn't matter where you're tuning in from, you can join in on the action. These apps and websites are designed to be accessible to a wide range of users, so you don't need the latest and greatest phone to participate. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. We're going to rank these from the lowest paying to the highest paying options. Let's kick things off with a bang introducing App Karma. So, here's the deal. Pop open your app store, give it a quick search for App Karma, and hit that tantalizing install button. Once you're inside, you're stepping into a virtual buffet of apps to choose from. Now, picture each of these like a mini jackpot, with some of them doling out a jaw-dropping 1,400 points for a simple install. But here's the real kicker, it gets even better. You have the power to tidy up and delete these apps after a speedy test run. When the time's right to cash in, it's as easy as a breeze, with options like PayPal and a whole array of other enticing gift cards. Curious about hitting that magical $10 mark? Well, you'll only need around 10 different app installs, a walk in the park. Now, let's shift gears and zoom in on Wisance.com. These folks have struck gold by partnering with some major players in the business world, and they're offering a huge selection of income opportunities. But today, we're honing in on a true cash cow app downloads. Getting started is a breeze. Simply sign up with your email and create a secure password, and you're in the game. But here's where things get interesting. They've got a referral program that's like a gold mine. It's not just about you earning for yourself. Oh no, it's about multiplying your earnings. With this dynamite referral program, you're set to pocket a sweet 30% of your referral's lifetime earnings. Imagine this, your buddy makes a cool $1,000. You're waltzing away with $300 in your pocket. And the best part? There's no cap on how much you can earn, so keep those referrals flowing in for those eye-popping bankrolls. Alright, buckle up. Because next on our money-making journey is GetPaid2.com, and they've got a thrilling proposition for you. It's all about getting paid to play games on your trusty smartphone, and trust me, it's quick, it's easy, and above all, it's a boatload of fun. No need to trudge through endless time-consuming tasks. Here, you're in for the fast lane to earning. Here's the drill. It's all about joining for free, installing games, and watching those points stack up like a jackpot. And the best part? You won't be waiting forever to cash out. Just hit that sweet 5,000 points threshold, and you're good to go. But wait, there's more. They've got a whole buffet of payment options laid out for you, including bank transfers and even cryptocurrencies. So whether you're looking to fill your bank account or pad your crypto wallet, you'll be counting those hard-earned dollars in no time. Now, let's dive into another gem, PrizeRebel.com. This one holds a special place in my heart because it's all about those instant payouts. Picture this, you'll be signed up and ready to roll in a matter of seconds. Then with just a couple of app installations, you're on your way to a cash bonanza. The cherry on top? They've got the convenience factor dialed up to 11 with options like PayPal and a whole bouquet of tempting gift cards ready to shower you with rewards for your hard-earned efforts. With millions of users trusting this platform and rave reviews from satisfied earners, there's no doubt it's a legitimate and reliable way to watch those earnings stack up. But don't jump off this money train just yet. There's still one more treasure chest to open. Saving the best for last, we've got FeaturePoints.com, and it's a real game changer. The convenience factor is off the charts because you can find their app on both the App Store and Google Play Store. That means you can dive right in, no matter which smartphone you're rocking. Here's the juicy part: download those apps, watch those points stack up, and exchange them for rewards that'll make your day. But that's not all. They've got an ace up their sleeve, a referral program that's like hitting the jackpot. Imagine this: you're not just filling your own pockets, but you're building a network of earners. You'll be on the receiving end of a sweet 10% of your referrals earnings for life. So it's not just about making connections, it's about cashing in and watching those earnings multiply. But wait, we're not done here. There's still one more hidden treasure to uncover. Now, brace yourselves for the grand finale, the ultimate secret sauce, introducing the Plug Co. This bonus website is where the real magic happens, and it's the hidden gem you've been waiting for. Hold on to your hats because here, you can unlock a jaw-dropping $30 for each app you introduce. But here's the kicker: it's not just about installing apps. It's about monetizing your online presence. Here's the game plan: grab their app, secure those precious referral links for other apps, and start sharing them with your network. When your connections install these apps through your links, you'll be raking in the cash faster than you can say money. And let me drop this bombshell: some savvy individuals are pulling in hundreds, even thousands of dollars every single day. It's a unique, game-changing opportunity that's making waves and turning everyday folks into financial powerhouses. So, there you have it: 5 remarkable ways to transform your smartphone into an unstoppable money-making machine. These opportunities are like hidden treasures waiting to be uncovered, and you're right on the path to discovering your financial fortune. But remember, the key to unlocking these riches is action. Don't let these golden chances slip through your fingers. It's time to seize the day and start your journey towards financial freedom. If you found value in this video and are hungry for more cash-boosting tips and tricks, there's one small yet significant step you can take. Give that button a friendly tap and hit that subscribe button. By subscribing to Money Master's channel, you're not just signing up for money-making wisdom, you're joining a community of savvy earners who are on the same journey as you. Thanks for tuning in and being part of our incredible community. Here's to your prosperous and happy earning journey.